Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up for the sunshine on my face. Ain't no fucking way you get in my way. Yeah. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up for the sunshine on my face. Ain't no fucking way you get in my way. Hey, today's gonna be a good day. Ain't no fucking way you get in our way. So remember days, yeah, sitting in the rain, praying for some better days, praying for some fucking change, telling ourselves, yes.
I really don't want to get a tick. Oh. It's got me. This is cool as shit. Whoa. How cool. Well, looks like that's all glass. That's weird. I wonder how it looks on camera. Can we get down there? I think we'd have to come in from the other side, maybe. That's pretty gnarly. Never did anything like this.
Hey, what up, say? One time for the hometown, I got love for it, it's real. 2 times for the haters, man, cause I notice how this shit feel. 3 times for my family, dog, cause this shit done paid our bills. And I get 4 times my net worth from a year ago with no deals. Did it all by myself, I don't need nothing. Try 100 songs, I'ma keep coming. Remember times I wouldn't be.
Whoa. Man, there's glass everywhere. Somebody comes up here. Oh. Is this a rope? Yeah, it must be. This might be somebody's property or something. Turn back.
3 no trespassing signs.
I didn't see any of them. Bro, what'd you say?
25 acres, all private property. The reason we do it up there, there's signs back there for people who come from the quarry from other properties. We have 25 acres. I'm done dealing with people back here. They throw shit, they do fireworks, they do fires.
Yeah, I've seen fires and a bunch of glass and shit everywhere.
So I'm just telling everyone to leave at this point. I'm sorry if I'm being rude or
Oh, no, you're good, bro. I've never been over here, so. And like I said, I came out this way. I didn't see any signs. I don't know if somebody took them down or.
They'd fucking rip them down. I literally do.
I don't think there's any up, bro. Seriously.
I can't remember what road it is. If it's Casson, there's public access right there, and you can get all the way back in here. Like if you're back in there, I don't see you. I'm never gonna say a word. I have no problem. Have your fun. Like, go for it. Just if someone sees you coming down the driveway, I guarantee you they're gonna come out of the house and say,
"No, you guys won't see me over here, man." Yeah.
But like I said, there's public access. I think I could be wrong. I think it's on Casson there, like dumping into Camillus. It's right on the right side. It's a little pull off, and it leads right back in here. Or if you go down down Split Rock, right at Kumos there where the bend is.
I don't know where that is. I have to Google it.
So if you
Kumos and Casson, I can remember that.
It's the meat place. It's on this road. So if you just took it right out of here, went all the way down, when the road bends to the left, there's more public access at the end of that road, and there's a bike club too that lets people go off there. They got a bunch of trails and shit.
Really?
Yeah.
Sick.
They mountain bike and shit, so I'm sure they'd have no issue with this. But
cool.
I mean to be a dick.
No, you're good. I'm new to the area. I just moved up to Solvay, and a buddy of mine told me to go to Split Rock, and there was like some trails and shit.
Awesome. So that's why I feel bad, but it's like I've been dealing with fucking team.
No, you're good. I can only imagine. So, yeah. Like I said, I seen the fire pits they had, and I pulled up over here, and there's just like literally, I mean, yards and yards of just shattered glass.
Dude, that's why I wish I could bring my dog back there, but it's like I've cleaned it out like 3 or 4 times over the last 2 years, and it gets worse every time.
That's nuts.
It's unreal.
Yeah.
But hey, if you like, obviously you're being smart. Like, if you go slow down the driveway, I have no problem with you coming down here using this as access if that's easiest for you.
No, I'll go around, bro. No, you're good, man. You're good. No. I'm just gonna stay out of your guys' way, man. I don't want to be.
Like I said, you're good. You're respectful. I appreciate 90% of the time, no one stops and they just blow by. I've had people drive up on the lawn and just blow by.
Yeah, I seen the fresh tracks and then the piles and then I seen the tools and everything in here. So I was like, and then on the car in the house, I was like, yeah, I'm not supposed to be over here.
No, you're good. You're good. No worries, no harm, no foul.
Cool.
You're just trying to have fun.
Thanks, bro. You want me to head out this way or this way?
No, if you want to go back there and ride, go for it. Whatever.
Cool.
Like I said, if this is easiest for you, you're more than welcome to come down.
I appreciate that. Thanks, bro. Yeah.
Seriously.
My name's Dylan, by the way.
What was that?
Dylan.
Dylan?
Yeah.
Right.
Nice to meet you, man.
Nice
Will?
To meet you.
All right, have a good one.
Like, if you come down the driveway or whatever, just say, Will told me I'm good.
Cool.
Good.
Awesome. Thanks, man.
You have a good night.
All right, you too. Jeez, there's just glass everywhere. We're just riding back. I see off to the side over here. Yeah, look at this. Oh shit. Oh, there. Okay, no problem. I can't get up it. Wow, it just freaking stopped me dead in my tracks. I thought I could freaking kind of pop it up over it a little bit. Just kind of bounce right off. This is good practice. It's helping a lot with throttle control, braking, balance. Yeah. Rat. Oh my god. Oh, that was sick. I feel like a trials expert. All that. So I guess that's it. We can go up this hill a little bit maybe. I don't want to head back up to that guy's house, but rock for sure. So I guess all this is fine. Hey, how'd they get down there? Are they climbing? I want to go down there. How do I get down there?
McCarry!
What?
This is the way over.
What do you want? You want me to grab your drink? What?
Yeah, it's halfway through the middle. We'll be retrieving it. It's like half up. It's right.
So now I'm starting to think that the glass was laid down intentionally to keep vehicles out. That makes sense to me. I don't see how all this glass What a cool place. Man, this is a lot of fun. I feel like I'm in a hurry. I gotta be somewhere, but I don't. Made a severe tightening. Oh my gosh. Whoa. There was a fence. Wow, how pretty. Regen hasn't been working. Oh, look at that hill. That's so sick. Not today. We'll save that. Oh, regen's working. Welcome back. I wonder if it's better to have it on or off if you're hitting trails like that. Those large rocks. Otherwise, when you're going downhill, you'd have to hit throttle. Well, along with your weight, of course. Shoot, so I can't believe I ran the stop sign. Alright, I guess we can throw it in eco, cut an alarm ribbon down the side street. So we got, let's see. So 9 miles, 80%. Sport mode the whole way. That was fun. We're gonna go get some wheelie practice in. GoPro's about to die. Yeah, we'll tear up those trails. Now that we know they're there, we'll have a bunch of fun over there. It's been real. Till the next one. Peace.